Yellow rice with pigeon peas, so we have 1.5 cups of rice, half an onion, a teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 cloves of grated garlic, 1 scallion or chive cut up, cherry pepper cut up, some thyme, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of saffron powder, 1 packet of sazon powder, and 1 pimiento pepper cut up. So we're going to boil 1 pack of pigeon peas. So we finished boiling the pigeon peas, so we're going to take it off the heat. So we're melting 3 tablespoons of butter in the pot. So half a onion chopped up. I'm going to throw all of this stuff. Pimento pepper, chili powder. These peppers are making my nose run. Rice. Sazon powder. And 3 cups of water. It's been cooking for 10 minutes and now it's done. So we're gonna set it aside for 10 minutes. That's good.